we're looking at the concept of extreme point and extreme value. It has to do with the same turning point, local and global maxima and minima. Now, let me show it to you guys. So we have for a different graph, turning point to be over here at a input of -2. So -2 is over here. And then as in when we move, the turning point again occurs over here. Yeah. At an input of 0. That's one of your extreme points again. Say I'll take this as 0 somewhere over here. And further, we have over here. Again, the slope is 0 and the input value is 1. So these are your turning points. Somewhere over here and somewhere over here. I'll just take it over there. It's convenient. And over here. These are your turning points. Local minima, global minima, maxima, so on and so forth. Right? So this is local and global minima. This is your local maxima, local minima. We still have global maxima. Clearly, these two extreme points. So which one is the highest? Clearly when the input is 2, right? So when we have this to be 2, we have it to be the maximum. Can you see that? That's the only line which is crossing the line of 40. That's the only input which is set of inputs which is crossing the value of 40. At this end it is not so. At -3 it's something else. So we have this to be the maximum value. Now we have all the possibilities, local maxima, local minima and the global maxima and minima. So these 4 points are your extreme values, extreme points. Okay, so this is your extreme points, extreme points. This is part of the extreme point, not at -3, because this is giving us global maximum. Okay, and this is your global minimum. So anyways, that is also local minimum, so done deal. While this is not part of your either local or global maximum or minimum. It's not local or global maximum or minimum. So because of that reason, this is not part of anything. Okay, while this is part of your extreme points. Now extreme values have to do with, okay, so this has to do with points and this has to do with values. So the extreme values have to do with the relative highest or the lowest value of the function achieved. It includes your local and global maximum and minimum. So in this example, let me finish this up. Extreme value. So here it would be f of -2, f of 0, f of 1, and this is f of 2. So all these are your extreme values. Okay. Right. So again, you need to know the terminology. Everything has to do with the same concept. So you need to understand what is extreme, what is not, what is your turning point, so on and so forth, because anything can come up in any form. Clarity is what you guys require. If not, conceptually it's altogether very simple. And yes, you guys have to copy this now. So on solving this, whatever output you get, those are your extreme values.